Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE latest leaks. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE concept renders have appeared online. They showcase the phone in an all-white body, complete with an infinity display, S Pen, and a 3.5mm audio jack. There is no word about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE launch date just yet, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE launch is several months away from release. Some concept renders of the device have shown up online thanks to Let's Go Digital. It draws heavy inspiration from the Galaxy S21 series, complete with its prominent camera module. The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE renders also showcase bottom-firing speakers and a 3.5mm audio jack. There is no telling what the final Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE will look like at this point, or even if it will be released. Even the Galaxy Note 21 launch has been in doubt several times. Even now, industry insiders remain largely divided about the smartphone's existence. Samsung has launched very few fan edition themed smartphones in the past. The first time such a variant existed was back in 2017 when the Samsung Galaxy Note FE was launched as a rebadged Galaxy Note 7, shortly after the infamous exploding battery debacle. However, Samsung's idea of fan edition seems to have changed in 2020, when it launched the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition as a watered-down version of the Samsung Galaxy S20. There are rumors of a Galaxy S21 FE in the works, so it seems likely that we may see the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE in the future as well. Samsung could also launch the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE as the last of its kind, before scrapping the Galaxy Note line of smartphones entirely. In that case, we can expect it to come with top-of-the-line features like a new Exynos SoC, a camera layout similar to that of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and a new S Pen feature. It will be a fitting farewell for the iconic Galaxy Note line, and allow die-hard fans of the smartphones to get their hands on one last version before it gets replaced by foldable phones. We've got a first look at what this year's Galaxy Note 21 might look like if it does make an appearance. It's not a full-fat Galaxy Note 21. With a few of the more premium features skimmed off the specs to bring the handset in line with Samsung's fan edition iterations of its more popular smartphones, like the Galaxy S20 FE. We've got a first look at what this year's Galaxy Note 21 might look like if it does make an appearance. It's not a full-fat Galaxy Note 21, with a few of the more premium features skimmed off the specs to bring the handset in line with Samsung's fan edition iterations of its more popular smartphones, like the Galaxy S20 FE, the Galaxy Note 21 FE, or Galaxy Note 20 FE, depending on which moniker Samsung decides to go with, was first tipped to be a possibility last month, and this render combines more recent Samsung smartphone features with the Note line staples for a cheaper alternative that could be the final installment in the Galaxy Note series. The chassis is plastic, which is less costly than glass. Glass has been touted as a premium feature, but is in fact a terrible idea, as demonstrated in the Galaxy S21 drop tests. Plastic is less prone to scuffs and scratches, and won't shatter irreparably after a short fall as you'd expect. The Galaxy Note 21 FE ships with S Pen included in the housing, and in another bid to shave costs, it boasts a flat 6.5-inch display rather than a curved screen. Given that Samsung dropped the charger from the Galaxy S21, following Apple's lead with the iPhone 12, we wouldn't expect its upcoming smartphones to reintroduce the accessory. But the Galaxy Note 21 FE in the renders includes a 65W fast charger. A Galaxy Note Fan Edition would be a great way to bid farewell to the Note series, which has become less relevant now that Samsung has made it clear that S Pen support is rolling out to more of its devices. That is all the latest news for now. What feature would you like to see in Galaxy 21 FE? Let me see your comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.